Hey, drop the pick! Get out of the way! Hey, drop the pick!
On the afternoon of April 15th, 2026, San Diego police officers responded to a report of an assault with a deadly weapon at 16th Street and Island Avenue in the East Village neighborhood.
Sending emergency 452.
Hi, 16th and Island. There's two homeless fighting and one's trying to stab another one with a knife or a stick or something.
16th in the island, and one has like a knife.
Yeah, we were stabbing him, but we were screaming at him, so he stopped.
3 units on the 245. Subject is a Hispanic male, long hair, black sweater, white on the front, and jeans.
Hey, drop the pick!
He has a small backpack.
Drop the pick! Get out of the way! When at gunpoint, not compliant. You with the backpack, drop the pick! You guys, get away! Drop the pick in your hand right now! Sir, move! Drop the pick or I'll shoot you! When at gunpoint, not compliant. Hey, drop the pick! Shot fired. Drop the pick! Drop the pick right now! Facing westbound 1600 Island. Drop the pick! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Back up! Hey, drop the pick! Drop the pick! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Back up! Get on the ground! Get on the ground or I'm gonna shoot you! So not complying to walking up on me, ass. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! It's just it's a pen. It's a pen, it's a pen. You got, we're on 1600 Island, South Curb line. Hey, everybody's back up. Get on the ground.
Stop, drop it.
Drop the pen. Drop the pen. You're under arrest. Drop it. Drop the pen. Don't get up yet. Stand by. Drop the pen now.
Drop the pen.
For units and all truck code, give me a pen. Or do a tape. We have medication.
Denise Guzman, 32, survived and was transported to a local hospital with non-life-threatening injuries. She was booked into Las Colinas detention and re-entry facility on charges of assault with a deadly weapon, making criminal threats, assault with force likely to cause great bodily injury and resisting arrest, and is being held without bail on some charges. The officer who fired, Yand Grijalva, is a 6-year SDPD veteran assigned to Central Division. The San Diego County Sheriff's Office Homicide Unit is leading the independent investigation into the shooting. Once complete, the case will be submitted to the District Attorney's Office to determine whether the officer bears any criminal liability. An internal administrative review by SDPD is also underway. The male victim of the original assault was not injured. No officers were hurt.